Meaning of dribble.
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 Dribble. Dribble can mean a few different things depending on context. In terms of basketball, it refers to the act of bouncing the ball repeatedly on the ground while moving with it. This skill is critical for players to maintain control of the ball while running and maneuvering past defenders. In other contexts, dribble can refer to the act of letting saliva or other liquids drool or trickle out of the mouth. This can be a sign of relaxation or a medical issue. Overall, dribble usually refers to a repetitive, controlled motion that produces a liquid or fluid movement.